Ready to do colors, Phoebe?
Mama.
What color is this? Good job. What color is this? Good job. What color is this?
Purple.
Good job. What color is this? Good job. And what color is this? Green. What color is this? Red. What color is this? Yellow. Good job. What color is this? Brown. And what color is this? Black? Yeah, it's got white on it. That's true. Black. Okay, what shape is this? What shape is this? Circle, oval. Yeah, you know that one. What shape is this? What is it? It's a heart? Yes. What shape is this? Pocoyo is behind you. Are you done? Shapes? What shape is this? What shape is this? Square. Good job. What shape is this? Star. And one more. What's this? Good job. Say yay, Phoebe.